Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to deposit using the credit card on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top side of the screen, we have the sign out button. We have the return to platform. We also have, as you can see, the start trading, which is in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use a credit card on Bitfinex. First of all, you need to log into your account as I told you. Then you need to navigate to the wallet page on the select deposit. So first of all, click start trading and do it there. Of course, then choose a card or debit card as your deposit method. Select a payment processor such as Mercurial, OWNR, or Simplex. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and enter the amount. After that, select the destination wallet where you want the funds to be deposited. Proceed with the payment by entering the credit card details and confirming the transaction. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.